So, hello everyone, my name is Parva Suhagia and today I'm going to show you my trusted B2B platform which simply connects buyer and suppliers. Basically my problem statement is to find a trusted suppliers and this is the login page. There will be two dashboard. First of all we are checking buyer dashboard. This is the buyer dashboard. You can see all budget spent in a month and with a chart format. And there is the total active request and request of lifetime. And the second page is marketplace page. You can find all suppliers and also simply by clicking on them you can see further details and which items they are selling with their status, unit and price. You can also see their rating and reviews and how frequently people are rating them, and also you can rate them. Yes, you can rate them out of 5 stars and also write your reviews. And this is the order page. In order page, buyer can find all orders till today, and buyer can also see their orders with a status accepted, pending, or rejected. So this is the buyer dashboard. Now we are moving to the supplier dashboard. This is the supplier dashboard. You can see marketplace opportunity means total request from buyers and then total earnings this month and active deals. And also suppliers can directly connect to recent buyers. This is the marketplace page, and also suppliers can also buy any material from another suppliers. And in order page, suppliers can see any request which are from buyers. Currently there is no request. We will create the request later. And this is the inventory page. Suppliers can add anything in the inventory, and it will be shown to the buyer. Like I will add 100 units, and you can see A2 is added. Now we are placing order of 100 units of A2 from buyer dashboard. That profile is Apexco. So we are going to them, and is the A2. You can see, and we are placing order of maximum units. Place order. So request has sent successfully. We just have to accept that from supply dashboard. You can see one request with time, and you can simply reject or accept it. If I accept it, it will reduce that quantity of that item from my inventory. You can see there is 0 units of A2. Okay, so this is my project, and I will share my GitHub repo link of this project. So thank you for watching.